Being one of the most used apps, you might encounter some issues with the camera of your phone. The most common is when it stops responding or just crashes without apparent reason. So in this video, we will show you how to fix the camera on your Galaxy S22 that keeps crashing. But before we move on, we will greatly appreciate it if you like and share our video to support us. Going back to our topic, here are the things you can do to fix a problem like this. First solution, close the camera and other apps running in the background. Doing so will refresh the app and its services. In most cases, such a procedure is enough to fix a problem like this. To do that, tap the recents key to view the apps that are still running. Tap close all to force stop the apps. After doing that, launch the camera again, and then try to see if it still crashes. Second solution, force restart your phone. This is also one of the easiest yet very effective methods you can use to fix app crashes and minor system glitches. All you need to do is to press and hold the volume down and power keys at the same time for 8 seconds. Doing so will trigger the phone to shut down and turn back on. When the Samsung logo shows on the screen, release both keys and allow the device to continue booting up. After the restart, launch the camera and try using it to see if it still crashes. If it still does, then try the next solution. Third solution, reset the camera settings. After doing the first two solutions and your phone's camera is still crashing, what you need to do next is to reset its settings. For minor camera issues, that's often enough to fix them. To do that, tap and hold the camera icon until the options show. Tap the app info icon and you will be brought to the next screen. Tap camera settings. Scroll all the way down and tap reset settings. There should be a pop-up window at the bottom of the screen, so tap reset to confirm. After doing that, go back to the home screen and launch the camera to see if the problem is fixed. If not, then try the next solution. Fourth solution, check for firmware updates. Before you move on, make sure that your phone is running the latest Android version. Any widespread problem is fixed through updates. Just launch the Settings app and then tap Software Update. Tap Download and install to check. If there is an update, then take time to download it, and then try to see if the problem is fixed after that. If there's none, then try the next solution. Fifth solution, factory reset your phone. At this point, if the problem continues to bug you, then it can be serious. So you have no other choice but to reset the phone itself. But before that, make sure to create a backup of your important files and data. When ready, follow these steps to reset your device. Pull up the app drawer and then tap Settings. Scroll down and select General Management. Find and tap Reset. Select Factory Data Reset. Scroll down and tap Reset. If prompted, enter your security lock. Tap Delete All. Enter your password and tap OK to confirm. After the reset, set up your phone as a new device and then check if the camera is working properly after that. If the problem continues, then it's either a serious software issue or a hardware problem. A technician might be able to help you. We hope that we've been able to help you one way or another. You may subscribe to our channel or click one of our videos to continue watching. Have a great day.